1, 2, 3.
Yo, this ain't no disco. Sure as hell ain't no country club. This is LA. Yeah. All I wanna do is have some fun before I die. Said a man next to me out of nowhere. Apropos to nothing, he said. His name was William, but I'm sure it's like Billy or Bill or Mac or Buddy or something like that. He's plain ugly to me, and I wonder if he's ever had a day of fun in his whole life. We're drinking at a bar on noon at a Tuesday. The bar faces a giant car wash. The good people of the world are washing their cars on their lunch breaks, hosing and scrubbing the best they can in shorts and skirts. They driving the shiny Datsun and Buicks and back to the phone companies and the record stores too. But that ain't nothing like Billy and me. Cause all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Said all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Said all I wanna do is have some fun before the sun comes up over Santa Monica Boulevard. I like a good beer buzz early in the morning. And Billy likes to peel the labels off the bottles of Bud and lay each one up on the bar. And he lights every match in an oversized pack, letting each one burn, 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 burn. He lets each one burn down. Otherwise, the bar is ours. In the day, in the night, in the car wash shoot. In the buds, in the matches, in the clean cars. The sun and the moon. Oh, yeah, yeah. Woo! It's all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. So all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. So all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do, before the sun comes up over Santa Monica Boulevard. Boulevard. It's all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. So all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. So all I wanna do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. All I wanna do Africa Boulevard.